In this video, I'm going to show you how to power off and power on your iPhone 11, 12, 13 and 14, because powering off is quite different between the previous iPhone models. In previous models, you just tap here and hold the power button, but in that model, Siri is opened and the phone is not powers off. So, to power off your iPhone, just tap and hold at the same time on power button and on the volume up button like that. And now that screen was appeared. Here you just need to slide the slider to the right to power off your iPhone device. And now to power on your device, just tap and hold your power button. And now you see that iPhone is being loaded. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.